Lakshmi India Finance have launched their IPO worth rupees 254 crores, closing on 31st July 2025. Let's discuss about the company background, financials, all in one place. The company was founded in 1996 and is a non-deposit taking NBFC headquartered in Jaipur. It focuses on financing MSMEs, commercial vehicles, and construction equipments mainly in rural and semi-urban areas. It has grown 158 branches across 5 states: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and UP. So mainly the west side of India. As of March 31st, 2025, company's AUM is rupees 1,277 crores with 76.34% MSME loans and 16.12% vehicle loans. They have overall customer base of 35,000 plus customers, which includes 18,000 plus active MSMEs and 12,000 plus vehicle loan customers, which is 48.78% growth from 23,000 customers in FY24 and 37.10% first-time borrowers. Total branch network of 158 and having 47 lending partners, which includes 8 public sector banks, 10 private banks, 7 small finance banks, and 22 NBFCs. The company is launching their IPO on a price band between 150 to 158 per share with a lot size of 94 shares. The total issue size of the IPO is rupees 254.26 crores with a fresh issue of 165.17 crores and OFS 89.09 crores. QIBs will have 50% quota, retail investors will have 35% and NIIs are 15%. Expected listing date is August 5th, 2025. Lakshmi India Finance has shown strong financial growth over the past 3 years. Their revenue jumped from 130 crores in FY23 to rupees 175.02 crores in FY24 with 33.93% growth and further to 248 crore in FY25. 2 years CAGR is approx 37.75%. Its PAT rose from 15.97 crores in FY23 and then 36 crores in FY25. PAT margin in FY25 is almost 14%, steady and healthy for an NBFC. Return on net worth is 14%. Current GMP is around 18, but always remember, GMP is unofficial and volatile. Use it only as market sentiment and signal, not a decision maker. The funds will be used to augment the capital base for future capital requirements related to onward lending. Let's take a quick look for its peer comparison for Lakshmi India Finance as per its DRHP. Lakshmi India Finance reports a basic and diluted EPS of rupees 8.78, NAV of rupees 61.57 with a strong return on net worth of 15.66%. Mass Financials shows PE of 16.97 and return on net worth of 14.71%. 5-Star Business Finance has the highest return on net worth at 18.6%, but also a higher PE of 20.62. SBFC has a lower EPS and NAV, but a much higher PE of 34. Ugro Capital and CSL offer lower PE multiples, but CSL has strong return on net worth. Overall, the company positions itself competitively in terms of earning, revenue, and valuation. The company has extensive rural and semi-urban branch network, diversified loan book, aligned with financial inclusion and PSL goals, experienced management with NBFC expertise, strong AUM and PAT growth, limited geographical area, exposure to MSME and vehicle loan credit risk, vulnerable to rural economic downturns. Regulatory changes may impact NBFC's operation, intense competitions from banks and fintechs. So the final verdict. Lakshmi India Finance IPO offers a play on regional NBFC growth, MSME exposure, and strong branch level lending. It shows strong momentum in India's rural lending space with nearly 38% revenue and over 50% PAT in 2 years. Financials are impressive for long-term investors eyeing Bharat's economic growth. This IPO could be a good fit. So should you invest? Do your research and read the RHP. So what do you think? Bullish on rural NBFCs or worried about valuation risks? Let us know in the comment section. Follow for more such updates.